Over the last few years, the support from the public has been heartfelt. With restrictions coming into force and constantly changing to keep everyone safe, the health charity was faced with a very different approach to fundraising. What was unexpected was the outpouring of support we were offered on a daily basis, and how, as a team, we were able to manage the vast amount of donations and offers from supporters and various organisations across Cardiff and the Vale. The health charity quickly adapted to the reaction of the general public, and with the pause on all charity events, we focused on alternative methods of fundraising. It was vital that we became virtual, visible and versatile as digital fundraising events registered high on our supporters' agendas. Fundraising activity slowly returns with the reintroduction of mass events including the Cardiff and Barry 10k runs, Cardiff Half Marathon and most recently the Ironman Wales. Individual supporters, many of them employees for the Health Board, have also taken on activities including the NHS Big Jump, London to Paris cycle ride and the NHS Do It Your Way event, raising thousands of pounds. We also received generous donations from Cardiff Vale, Aaron Ramsey and Sir Stanley Thomas. We were also proactive in applying for funding grants through the National Lottery Heritage Fund and NHS Charities Together, and were successful in securing funds which made such a difference and will continue to be so important in the long term. A specific web page has been created to highlight the very many projects we supported and have regularly been shared across a network of 230 NHS charities via NHS Charities Together. The staff lottery continues to grow and we are proud that Income is able to support very many different projects across the organisation and offer members the chance to win weekly prizes in addition to life-changing sums of money. To date, the lottery has awarded to winning members of the lottery over £1 million and awarded in excess of £1.5 million through the scheme. Projects funded have included bereavement support for patients, counselling and wellbeing support for staff, research into long COVID and specialist equipment, making a difference to the lives of patients, volunteers, communities and NHS staff. Through its generous legacy donations, the health charity is able to support clinical boards with a wide range of patient-centred research and service improvement projects, plus staff-related initiatives to improve morale and health and wellbeing. Working alongside the Health Board Staff Benefits Group, the health charity utilises existing relationships and partnerships with local and national companies to support staff as widely as possible and has become even more important in the current economic times.
So the breast centre appeal is one of the main appeals for Cardiff Vale Health Charity, which I lead on as one of the senior fundraisers. It works with the breast centre, which is based at University Hospital Landock. The breast centre was built through charitable funds and is bespoke for breast cancer patients. Working with fundraisers for the breast centre appeal is a really privileged position. I should say a special mention to one of our long-term fundraisers, Irene Hicks. She's been fundraising for the breast centre appeal since 2014. She's due to finish her main fundraising with us this year, having reached £200,000. She's such an ambassador for our appeal. The Prop Appeal is one of the other main appeals for Cardiff Vale Health Charity, supporting brain injury rehab. So this year, in March, we were able to finally hold our first afternoon tea event. We had a fabulous singer there, we did a wonderful raffle, but it was great for me to be able to walk around the room and finally see some of our supporters face to face. They also held a fabulous golf day in April this year, raising loads of money for the appeal, had lots of famous faces attending, a really well supported event in Cardiff.
The Cardiff Vale University Health Board and the Cardiff Vale Health Charity and Down to Earth are working in partnership to develop our health meadow. It's for patient groups who will come together and they'll be doing things like creating fences, creating pathways, planting trees, and we're really pleased to have been the first in Wales to have received a Building with Nature award. So we've had a whole suite of events this summer, like an outdoor cinema which was free for everyone to attend, and we've also got a Shine Bright Invite Appeal, which is where we are inviting anyone to donate in return for an LED star, which will be placed on the University Hospital Landock or at the University Hospital of Wales. So we're taking donations through our new crowdfunding page, which is a new and easy way to get involved, and you can donate to our health meadow. Our new crowdfunding page will show you interactively how each area of the health meadow will look once it's completed. Horatia's Garden opened earlier on in the summer, and our charity provided the single largest donation towards the wall to allow Horatia's Garden to open, and we're also donating towards the maintenance of Horatia's Garden.
The arts programme provides creative experiences, environments and workshops throughout the hospital site of Cardiff Vale University Health Board. My favourite event this year was the NHS Big Gig. We got together a lot of buskers, which each performed for us at St Andrew's Court. We met a lot of new faces, and it was a really fun event. The NHS Big Gig was supported by Nathan Weiburn, who is the health charity patron and has also done a lot of artwork for our programme as well. So this year we ran the NHS online art auction. So we did a call out to the artists that we've previously worked with, and we had over 50 artists kindly donated an artwork to be sold on our online auction.
So the galleries provide not only a space for staff and patients to find a quieter and more calming space. They normally come here at a heightened emotional state, just due to their jobs, due to visiting a loved one. So it provides a really lovely space for them to come and relax and unwind. My favourite exhibition to date has been the Dementia Darnings, which is a body of work by artist Jenny Dutton. The Dementia Darnings are a series of stitched portraits that, on a large scale, depict Jenny's mother, who was diagnosed with dementia. It really captivated all our visitors and all the staff and patients that came to visit the gallery during that time.